Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question that might surprise you. Is QuickBooks still the accounting software hero for your business? For years, QuickBooks has been the go-to for countless small and medium-sized businesses. It's user-friendly, affordable, and gets the job done. But what if your business isn't so small or medium anymore? What if QuickBooks is starting to hold you back? In this video, we'll explore the signs that it might be time to say goodbye to QuickBooks and upgrade to a more robust accounting system. We'll cover limitations, scalability, and some of the hidden costs that can creep up over time. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether QuickBooks is still your business bestie, or if it's time to explore pastures new. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get started. The signs it's time to move on. So, how do you know if QuickBooks is becoming a liability instead of an asset? Here are some key signs to watch out for. Data overload. QuickBooks starts to struggle with large datasets. Your reports are slow to generate, and the system feels sluggish. This can be a real productivity killer, especially when you need to access crucial financial information quickly. Limited features. Your business needs have grown beyond QuickBooks capabilities. You might be struggling with complex inventory management, advanced invoicing, or needing more granular control over user permissions. QuickBooks just doesn't offer the level of functionality you need to operate efficiently. Integration issues. Your business relies on various apps and tools, CRM, marketing automation, e-commerce platform, but they don't integrate seamlessly with QuickBooks. You're wasting precious time on manual data entry and struggling to get a holistic view of your finances. Hidden costs. While QuickBooks might seem affordable at first, subscription fees can add up as your business grows. Limited user accounts, storage restrictions, and add-on features can quickly eat into your profit margins. Security concerns. QuickBooks is a popular target for cybercriminals. If you're storing sensitive financial data, you might want a system with more robust security features and compliance controls. You're losing sleep. You're constantly worried about the limitations of QuickBooks and how it's impacting your business. This stress can take a toll on your well-being and productivity. The true cost of sticking with QuickBooks. Let's talk about the hidden costs of holding onto QuickBooks for too long. Sure, the subscription fee might seem reasonable initially, but consider these factors. Wasted time. Manual data entry, workarounds for missing features, and reconciling discrepancies all eat up valuable employee hours. That's money out of your pocket. Lost opportunities. Limited reporting and forecasting capabilities can make it difficult to spot trends, make informed decisions, and seize growth opportunities. Compliance risks. If your industry has strict accounting regulations, QuickBooks might not offer the controls you need to stay compliant. Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines and penalties. Employee frustration. A clunky accounting system can demotivate your team. Investing in a more intuitive system can boost employee morale and productivity. So what's the alternative? If you're nodding along to several of these signs, it might be time to explore more robust accounting software solutions. Cloud-based accounting systems offer a wider range of features, scalability, and integration capabilities. They can grow with your business, providing the flexibility and customization you need. QuickBooks is a fantastic tool for many small businesses, but there comes a time when it can become a hindrance. Recognizing the signs that it's no longer the right fit will allow you to make an informed decision and upgrade to a system that empowers your continued growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.